7 money rules the UK rich use that most ignore. Most people work for money, but the rich? They make money work for them. And here's the thing, it's not luck, and it's not magic. It's rules. Simple rules. Today, I'll show you 7 money rules the wealthy in the UK quietly follow, that most people completely ignore. Miss these, and you'll always feel behind no matter how hard you work. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Most people spend first and save what's left. The wealthy reverse it. As soon as money comes in, a portion goes straight into savings or investments before anything else. Start with 10% if you can. It builds discipline and momentum. Wealth isn't about what you earn. It's about what you keep. Rule 2. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When income rises, most people spend more. New car, new gadgets, bigger lifestyle. The rich increase investments faster than expenses. They may upgrade but with control, because every extra pound spent today could grow tomorrow. If your spending grows with your income, you're standing still. Rule 3. Own assets, not just income. A job pays you once. Assets keep paying you. The wealthy focus on things that generate income. Property, stocks, businesses. Instead of working forever, they build income streams. Ask yourself, if I stop working today, does money still come in? If not, that's your next move. Rule 4. Use debt strategically. Debt isn't always bad, it depends how it's used. Bad debt drains you like high-interest credit. Good debt helps you grow like investing in property or business. The rule is simple. If it makes you money, it's a tool. If it costs you money, it's a trap. Rule 5. Think long-term, always. The wealthy play the long game. They focus on steady growth over years, not quick wins. This is where compounding works. Money earning money, again and again. It's not flashy, but it's powerful. Patience builds real wealth. Rule 6. Control emotions around money. Emotions destroy more money than bad decisions. People panic when markets fall, and rush in when prices rise. The wealthy stay calm and stick to a plan. They don't react, they think. Control your emotions, and you're already ahead. Rule 7. Always keep learning. Money is a skill and skills can be learned. The rich keep learning about investing, business, and money. They read, study, and stay curious. Most people stop learning too early and stay stuck. Just 10 minutes a day can change your financial future. These rules aren't complicated, but they do require discipline. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, wealth is built quietly, over time. Ignore these rules, and you'll keep working for money. Follow them, and one day, money will work for you. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple, practical money lessons. And watch the next video on your screen. It breaks down exactly how beginners can start investing step by step. See you there.